Hi there, Mel here again from Loewen Windows Receiving Department. We have another 2-second lean idea. So this office is kind of shared with a couple people. Sometimes there are meetings that have to happen in this room. So what we had done in the past was that we had a meeting in progress sign, and we would just put it on the door. People that coming in would see if there was a meeting in progress, please do not enter. However, people were not really seeing the sign, and they would just come on in even though a meeting was in progress. So we just decided to make it a little more brighter and a little bolder. So now we've got a bright yellow sign with a cute little photo asking people not to enter. So hopefully, just with changing the paper color, it's a lot more visible, it's a lot brighter. Hopefully this will help us to be able to utilize this room better. Thanks, have a great day.